These are the ingredients that I'm going to use for guacamole. I have one bunch of cilantro here, but I will just use 1/3 of that. And I have a Roma tomato. I like Roma tomato, and take out the seeds, guys. I don't like the seeds to mix with my guacamole, you know. And then 1/3 of our onions. You are going to slice it very tiny. So that's it. We need 3 tablespoons of our lime, guys, for our 3 pieces of avocados. So if you lodge the seed, it will be like this, but be very careful. Okay, yes, that's how you take the seed of the avocado. Be careful when you lodge it. That's how I do it. Cut it half and lodge straight to the center of a seed. There you go. We ordered this avocado 3 days ago and pick up at the store. I'm so worried, guys. Otherwise, they will give us the bad ones, but they give us good ones. And these 2 are perfectly fine, but the other one has a little bit brown in it, but it's okay, just a little bit, so we can deal with that. This is a beautiful avocado we have here. And first thing, we're going to squeeze our lime, add our cilantro, add our onions, and last is the tomato. And then you're going to mix that one with our mixed salt and our pepper. So that's it. Don't mash your avocado. We want some bits of it. Hi guys, this afternoon we're going to make a guacamole. So guacamole is a Mexican food, and that is our favorite food too. We're not Mexican, I'm Filipino, and my kids are Americans, but we love, it's not like guys, we love guacamole. So these are 3 of those avocados. I have here a tomatoes. I have an onion, it's like 1/3 of an onion, and 1/3 of this cilantro bunch. Guys, make sure you use lime to your guacamole dahil iba ang lasa if you use lemon or lime. So for you guys, I prefer to use lime dahil na-experiment ko yan na lemon is a little bit of, I don't know, it's not really kicking in. But if you use guacamole with lime, voila, lime is better than lemon. If Filipino like to eat fruit salad with avocado, of course it's dessert and it's sweet with condensed milk and all of these fruits you can imagine. But here in other country, their avocado is some dipping of this. So avocado dip with these chips. So this afternoon we're going to make a guacamole. It's a dipping thingy, guys. It's a big deal here. So okay, I have here 3 avocados. Let's do it. If avocado in the Philippines is fruit salad with some of the fruits, mixing it with condensed milk, evaporated milk, and whatever fruit that you have in there. But here, guys, avocado is for dips. And it's very yummy. I can't wait to dig in it. So okay, we'll do it. Okay people, we are now going to make our delicious guacamole. So first thing, we're going to mix our lime. We need 3 tablespoons of this. And just followed by mixing everything. Just put all your cilantro, all the onions, tomatoes, and season it with a dash of black pepper and this mixed salt. That's it. You're done, and then it will be very tasty. And if you want it hot, just add jalapeno or whatever you can find at the store. Fresh jalapeno for this one is delicious, guys, than the canned ones. So yeah, That's it. Our afternoon snacks is guacamole. So guys, we have our guacamole. Yes, and if we have guacamole, we need this. We need these corn chips. It's a party size. Oh my gosh. Thank you for the corn chips, my darling. So, oh, I can't wait to dig. So this is my guacamole. Mmm. Mmm. don't lie, it's so good and healthy. To us Filipinos that use this for dessert, fruit salad, try making guacamole because we have a lot of avocado in the Philippines. And this is so yummy, guys. Oh, ha, ha. So good. I can stop dunking it in my mouth. So to you guys that you like guacamole with very hot, spicy hot, just use 2 of those jalapeno and you are going to slice it thinly. Use 2 jalapeno or whatever chili seasoning there, whatever you have. Just mix it to make it hot. But for us guys, I don't like it hot. So this is good if you have parties. This is good if you watch movie. For my thumbnail,